How's it going? So what I've got here today, this is another plate type descender. It's called the ATS from Sterling. It's fairly unique in these style of descenders, like your figure eights and your stitch plates. This descender is symmetrical, so a right or left-handed user is not going to have a problem running the lock-offs or adding friction. If you'll notice, it's got a concave or convex shape, however you want to look at it. That allows you to add friction. When you install the rope and run it over the hump, that'll be for your smaller lines or for more frictions desired. For larger lines, say your 1/2 inch rope, you'd rig your rope over the valley. These two slots here allow a simultaneous belay of twin ropes if need be to belay a lead climber. The carabiner hole has a long-lasting sealed-in rubber O-ring to hold your carabiner in place and keep this from crawling around and side loading on the biner. This is about as small as a standard figure eight, so it's nice and compact, and it gives you the benefits of a rescue eight with the horns. I'll show you how to install it on the rope and show it on Rappel here in a minute. So now we're going to install the ATS on the rope. We're going to run the rope over the hump for added friction. We take a bite of rope, we're going to pass it in the big hole, bring it down, clip our carabiner in. So that's what it looks like installed. So I've got the device in the start of a hard lock here, so you see I can't take my hands off. Left hand up here is kind of a guide in case you're worried about tipping over backwards. Right hand's down here at my hip, and I just release pressure with my right hand and allows me to descend. If I apply pressure with my right hand, I stop the descent. A little bit of release, down I come. So you've come down, you want to lock your device off. Take your hand down at your hip. Put a bite of rope between the device and this side of your line. Now we've got a soft lock. Make that more positive so that we can work. We passed a bite of rope through our carabiner and put 2 1/2 hitches up above the device. And now I can do whatever it is I need to do. Work on this, work on that, hands free. What I want to do is show you the proper way to install a Rappel system, particularly with your figure of 8 family. So we'll install the rope as per normal. Now we want to have, particularly in tree work, we climb, even if it's double rope technique, we climb on single rope systems. So we don't have the benefit of a redundant rope backup. So when you're on Rappel, proper procedure is to back up your device with the prusik. And you can do it above or below. What I prefer is above. So now this Rappel device is backed up with this prusik, and I'll show you how it works on Rappel. So now I'm on Rappel with our backup prusik. So as I come down, I dress the prusik. If something were to go awry, the prusik sits. If I hit something, knock myself unconscious, panic on Rappel, what I'm gonna do is let go of that prusik.